Hello everybody, this is my mom Padma and I'm super excited to share something with you all that I just came from traveling, and when I entered I have been gifted something by my mother and father, my good gurus. I'm super excited to sharing this with you all. Let's unbox this. चलो देखते हैं. I don't know what inside this, and let's open this. See this. Okay. So I have seen what I have been gifted, and I'll tell you later. Let's open this properly, completely.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken. No strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company
So
with
this
no
is
emotion, 'cause my love
clap
deserves to
box.
be free.
What a
I never
beautiful
wanna
gift.
got a house in the
Thank you so
garden.
much,
I never wanna
Daddy
lock you
and Mummy.
down.
I'm so
I know
so
you're not
grateful for
mine, it's
this.
just
This is
my
a precious
turn,
gift
but we
for
can
me. Thank
still
you so
have
much.
fun for now.
My Christmas gift, indeed. I'm very happy to get this. Since I was once upon a time, I used to share with Daddy and Mummy about the clap box, and I don't know, and they gifted me, and that happened. I was just sharing this with them, but this is such a beautiful gift. I'm so happy. I know I can't sleep overnight, full night. I will just it's a dream come true wala gift. Thank you.